Hello po mga kapuso, I'm Heath Hornales, the fighting prince of Taguig. Masasabi ko po sa experience ko po na kapuso, second big placer, napakasaya ko po. And I'm really, really thankful at di ko po talaga in-expect na aabot ako this far. So, ayun, I'm really, really happy and thankful po na nangyari po ito lahat. And I thank all of my fans and my supporters po doon and I thank God. So, I'm really, really happy. Sa tingin ko naman na panindigan ko naman po yung moniker ko. Syempre, hindi naman po ako makikipag-away sa bahay ni Kuya. Pero I guess napakita ko naman po yung mga martial arts skills ko doon. So, I guess napakita ko po a glimpse of it. Kasi hindi naman po ako makikipaglaban sa bahay. Kaya, yun po. A message to my family is, I miss you guys so much and I love you and I think my entire family na andyan sila lagi para sa akin na nag-support. At nang pumunta po sila sa bahay ni Kuya, my mom and my dad, I missed you guys so much nun. So I love you guys and thank you for always supporting me. You guys are always my day ones. Message to my fans is thank you guys so much. I love you all. Thank you for all the support and thank you for always saving me po. And thank you po na pinaabot niyo po ako ng ganito kalayo sa bahay ni Kuya. And you guys are the reason I'm here. And you guys believed in me even in the times I didn't believe myself. Kaya thank you guys so much talaga. So I love you guys.